The currently shipping support brace is comprised primarily of two 6-inch wide pieces of white ABS plastic. Part A is the piece with a yellow sticky strip attached on one side. Part B has the T section with a Velcro strip at the top that's used to attach the blower housing to the brace. The assembly is mostly about measuring where, on Part B, the Part A should be attached. First, carefully shove the longer section of Part A under the top mattress, as shown, until the shorter section is pushed up against the mattress. Lay Part B up against Part A, positioned so that the T at the top is flush with the surface of the mattress. Transfer the blue masking tape to the approximate place on Part B where the top edge of Part A lines up on Part B. Mark the tape with a line at the exact location of the top edge. Now you can remove Part A from under the mattress and place both pieces on the bed to complete the assembly. First, peel the yellow protection cellophane off the sticky strip, being careful not to accidentally pull both the yellow piece and the sticky strip off the plastic as a single layer. Now position Part A against Part B, lining up the top edge of Part A with the marked line on the blue tape. Slide the clear plastic clamps over the two plastic layers that now have the sticky strip between them. Your brace is now ready to reinsert into your bed. It helps if you can lift the mattress high enough to slide Part A all the way in with minimal contact between the sticky side and the lower box spring.